Welcome to Class 01, Basic Microeconomics Class Notes. For enrollment information, please contact the provided number or visit the website shown below. This video provides a brief overview of the topics covered in this microeconomics class, setting the stage for what you can expect to learn. This is Class 01 of Microeconomics. For further details on enrollment, you can reach out via the number or website displayed here. The introduction covers the definition, nature, and scope of economics, including microeconomics and macroeconomics, positive versus negative economics, the basic problem of economic organization, production and exchange, the production possibility frontier, PPF, and the market mechanism. Here are solutions to some questions from the 49th Special BCS Economics exam. We cover Say's law, the production possibility frontier, and what is not included in GDP calculation. This section continues with solutions, addressing questions about complementary goods, opportunity cost, and the effect of price increases on demand quantity. More solutions cover the definition of equilibrium in economics, what occurs at the market equilibrium point, and what results when the price is above equilibrium. We examine the effect of increased supply with constant demand on equilibrium price. We also look at equilibrium conditions for supply and demand equations and the effect of prices above equilibrium. What is economics? It is the study of how society manages its scarce resources. It is a social science that discusses how limited resources are used for the production, distribution, and consumption to fulfill unlimited human wants. The circular flow diagram is a visual model of the economy. It shows how money flows through markets among households and firms. This diagram illustrates the circular flow, showing the interaction between households and firms in the markets for goods and services and factors of production. Microeconomics fundamentally deals with scarcity, which is the limited nature of society's resources. What are the basic problems of economics? There are three main problems: what goods to produce, how to produce them, and for whom to produce them. The production possibility curve, PPC, represents the various combinations of two goods that an economy can produce using its limited resources and technology. The production possibility schedule is a table that shows these combinations. This slide displays the production possibility schedule, illustrating different combinations of food and clothing output given the limited resources. This figure is the production possibilities frontier. It shows the combinations of cars and computers the economy can produce. Points outside the frontier are not feasible. The slope measures the opportunity cost of a car in terms of computers. This slide provides solutions to multiple choice questions from the 49th Special BCS Economics exam. It covers the slope of the production possibility frontier, which is the marginal rate of transformation, MRT. Continuing with the solutions, the slope of the indifference curve is the marginal rate of substitution, MISS, and the slope of the isoquant curve is the marginal rate of technical substitution, MRTS. Microeconomics and macroeconomics are the two main branches of economics with different subject matter and scope. Microeconomics focuses on small, individual parts of the economy, like a person or a firm. Microeconomics is a bottom-up process and includes topics like consumer behavior, market, and pricing theory. Macroeconomics focuses on the large aggregate economy of a country. It analyzes the overall performance, structure, and behavior of a country's economy, being a top-down process. Key topics in macroeconomics include national income, inflation and deflation, unemployment, and fiscal and monetary policy. This section reviews fundamental microeconomics questions. Adam Smith is known as the father of economics, and his famous book is The Wealth of Nations. It also notes that Marshall's famous book is The Principle of Economics, and provides a definition of microeconomics as the branch that discusses economic issues in a small context. Further questions address the most acceptable definition of economics given by Professor L. Robbins, and the three basic problems of economics: what, how, and for whom to produce.